نحمده نصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable guests, respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Sheikh Aisha from Sanvia Khamsa, student of Jamiatul Salihat. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you and I wish you a very happy Republic Day. As we know very well, today we all are here to celebrate 75th Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to Allah for the development and prosperity of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year on 26th of January as the Constitution of India come into force at this day. India is a democratic country where public is authorized to elect its leader to lead the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president of India. Since we got independent from the British rule in 1947, our country has developed a lot and counted among the powerful countries. Together with some developments, some drawbacks have also arisen, such as inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take a pledge today for solving such problems in society and make our country the best country in the world. Dear listeners, India is a republic country which has no any king or queen to rule it. However, the public of this country are the rulers. Every one of us living in this country has equal rights. No one can be a president or chief minister or prime minister without voting of us. We have the right to choose our best prime minister or other leaders to lead this country in a right direction. Dear listeners, as being an Indian citizen, we too are fully responsible about our country. We should make ourselves up to date, read news and be completely aware of what are going on our country, what are going on wrong or right, what our leaders are doing, and firstly what we are doing for our country. Earlier, India was a slave country under British rule, which was made independent after several years of struggle by the sacrifices of thousands of lives of our freedom fighters. So, we should not let go their all priceless sacrifices and make this country a slave country again under inequality, corruption and other social discrimination. Today is the best day when we should take an oath to preserve our country's real meaning, status, position and most importantly the culture of humanity. One nation, one vision, one identity. One nation, one vision, one identity. No nation is perfect, but it needs to be made perfect. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.